Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terra's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make crepes for breakfast. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this recipe you'll need some eggs. So I've used 1 egg. You're going to beat it well as shown in this video. After that I'm going to add in 1 cup of milk, just normal temperature milk. Then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. You can also choose to add essence of your choice like orange. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. After that we're going to give it a good mix. After that we're going to add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then we're going to sift it in as shown in this video. Then we're going to give it a mix so that you can form a smooth batter. While whisking, make sure you whisk until all the lumps are dissolved, or you can choose to put all the ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. So your crepes batter should be as shown in this video. On a heated pan, you're going to brush in some oil. So you are using just a little oil. So you're going to brush in some oil as shown in this video. Then you're going to add in your butter and cook it for about 2 minutes both sides. You're going to repeat the process of frying the crepes until you're done. Guys, if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. And just like that, you'll have your crepes ready for breakfast. To be honest, they were so delicious and soft. Kindly do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.